I was on call last night. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not as bad as it sounds. But it got me thinking how you as a patient get a hold of your physician after hours. No such luck in this community. If you call throughout regular business hours, you will probably encounter some sort of a computerized phone tree. Good luck trying to get a human being at the end of those verbal cues. I'm Dr. Cabrera, and I'm here to advocate for concierge medicine, a program where enrolled patients get an access to me on a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week basis. I am convinced that that will lead to avoidance of unnecessary trips to the emergency room, over-testing, and overreacting. Join me on October 16th at 6:30 in the evening at the Amarillo Country Club's Acacia Room. See if having your own private doctor is for you. I'm Dr. Cabrera, the Now Doc, and I would like for you to be one of only 600 patients that will be allowed to enroll in this novel practice of medicine. Thank you.